Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the clamper circuit of the consisting of. Till now, we have been discussed about the positive clamper circuit with the help of both positive bias and a negative bias circuit. In this session, we are going to discuss about the negative clamper circuit with a mode of both positive mode and negative mode. It means positive biasing mode and negative biasing mode also will discuss. But let's understand what is negative clamper circuit. In the positive of clipper circuit, it will clip off the entire positive half, whereas in the negative clamper circuit, the operation of the negative clamper circuit is exactly opposite to that of the positive clamper circuit. In the positive of clamper circuit, the output will shift entire onto the above the time axis, whereas in the negative clamper circuit, the output will shift the entire output will be shift to the negative time axis below the time axis with the same voltage, whereas if you are considering, so during the positive half cycle the diode will not charge, so whereas in the diode in forward bias case, so it will be in short circuit mode, so there is no output present, but the capacitor will charge until the maximum voltage of. In the negative bias, it will in the during the negative cycle, it will charge to until minus Vm voltage, so that when we are transferring again to the voltage, though it will be charged such that it will become minus Vm. So already we have minus Vm plus the maximum voltage is Vm minus Vm. So V naught is equals to minus 2 Vm. So the entire cycle will be going to be shift to the negative side, where how we are see right now. Okay, so this is our circuit. Okay, it will clamps the entire input to the below the time axis. It means during the positive half cycle, the diode it is not charged, right? So forward bias. Forward bias means short circuited. So total voltage zero, but it will charge. It will not charge, right? Whereas in negative half cycle, it will start charging. It reaches to maximum voltage of minus Vm. Okay, where it will reaches to the maximum voltage. Whereas in the negative half cycle, it is capacitor is already having a minus Vm voltage, and also this voltage is plus to minus Vm. So the output is going to be, we are getting plus V naught, plus to minus is plus, so is equals to 0. Applying KCL, so V naught is equals to minus, right? V naught is equals to minus 2 Vm. So in this way, we are going to get a output such that it will behave like a negative clamper. It will clip off the all the positive and negative portion of the half cycle onto the below the timing axis. So let us understand. Go to the multisim. Here you can see the circuit has been designed with a capacitor resistor with connected in reverse direction, as we have been seen in the positive clipper circuit. It is connected in opposite to that of the then. So when I with the 5 volts peak to peak, 1 kilohertz frequency and oscilloscope. So let's run this one. So when I run this one and double click on this one, then I'm going to get the entire half cycle has been shifted such that it will have an output called both the all the voltage should be negative. It means if you are giving a plus 2 plus 5 volts, then our output should be minus 5 volts. So V naught is equals to minus Vn. In this way, this negative clamper circuit is going to be work. So whatever you are giving the voltage, that will be clamped and will give the output with the help of the clamping of that portion of the input, and it is giving as like a minus volt, because in the during negative half cycle only this negative clamper circuit will be charging to minus Vm volts, so that it is having already minus Vm volts, and during the positive half cycle it will get the again Vm volts, so the entire volt will be minus 2 Vm, so the total output should be minus 2 Vm also. So in this way we are going to get an output such that it is having a entire thing below the negative time axis. So this is how for this session. If you have any doubts regarding this negative clamper explanation, both theoretical and practical calculation, please let me in comment box. Thank you for watching.